Hi guys, the following clip is about expanding quadratics in algebra. Enjoy! Expanding quadratics. What this means is basically expanding brackets so that it forms a quadratic equation. So, when we do expanding quadratics, we will have two or more sets of brackets, and we need to multiply everything in the first bracket with everything in the second bracket. After we've done that, which is step 1, then we go on to step 2, which is we need to simplify. So we need to find like terms and add or subtract them from each other. We are going to do the following examples. Let's start with this one. Like we said, the first step is we need to multiply everything in the first bracket with everything in the second bracket. So the first one we're going to start with is my x. I need to multiply this x with both the x as well as the 5. So x multiplied by x gives me x squared. X multiplied by 5 gives me positive 5x. The second one we need to look at is the 3, because the rule is we need to multiply everything in the first bracket with everything in the second bracket. So 3 times x gives me positive 3x, and 3 times 5 gives me 15. Now that I've expanded my brackets, gotten rid of both sets of brackets, now I need to simplify this. Find like terms and add them together. When we look at that equation, the only two like terms we have is the 5x and the 3x. Now we're going to rewrite that. So I will have x squared, 5x plus 3x will give me plus 8x plus 15. And now I've expanded these brackets into a quadratic equation. The next one we're going to do is 2x minus 3 squared. When something is squared, it means that the same thing is multiplied by itself. So before I can expand these brackets, I need to rewrite them next to each other. So I'm going to have 2x minus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 3. When I have these two brackets, now I do the exact same steps as I have done in my first example. I need to take my first term in my first bracket and multiply that with everything in my second bracket. So we're going to start with the first one. 2x times by 2x gives me 4x squared. 2x multiplied by negative 3. Now I've got a different symbol, so I need to apply the symbol rule as well. Positive times a negative gives me a negative. And 2x times 3 gives me 6x. After I've done that, I need to look at my second term in my first bracket. I need to multiply this negative 3 with everything in my second bracket. So negative 3 times negative, or times 2x, sorry. Use the symbol rule. Negative times a positive is a negative. 3 times 2x is 6x. And the last one I need to do is multiply this negative 3 with a negative 3. Once again, we've got two symbols that we need to multiply. Negative times a negative is a positive. And 3 times 3 is 9. So that is positive 9. Now that I have expanded my brackets, I need to look at step number 2, which is simplify. So find terms that look alike. Negative 6x and negative 6x. Need to add them together. So my final answer will be 4x squared minus 6 is minus 12x. Plus 9. And that is how we expand quadratics. I hope this clip helped. If it did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone it might possibly benefit. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also find the link to the symbol rule and expanding brackets over here. See you next time. Bye.